Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the Telltale Club recording studio from the United Kingdom. Now, I've set up a new factory. It's a ringtone factory, but it's a singtone factory. So this is like my new venture, because I think vocals are a particular niche when it comes to loops and ringtones. I think we can have real fun with them. So today I've got girls and boys, and I'm going to put up two versions of this. So the first version is a public domain version, which you can find pretty much anywhere on the internet, and it's the version that I have not touched. Okay, I promise you, I did not do a single thing to this. It's as it was presented at first on the public domain website, and volunteers make these. So this is the first one, okay, and then I'm going to give you my version. So in a different episode. So here we go. You can download it and use it. No royalty restrictions. Of course not. It's in the public domain, guys. Come on. So have this one. Well, see what you think. I mean, it's got a horror movie sense to me, but that's because, guys, I'm warped.
Song number 1 of the Baby's Opera. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Jen Broda. The Baby's Opera by Walter Crane. Girls and Boys. Girls and boys, come